If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay students, let's welcome you all again in lecture 3 of this GATE Engineering Math series. So today I have taken 3 questions, question number 7, 8 and 9. Okay, then let's solve it. In 7 it is given the solution of the differential equation d square x dt square is equal to minus 9x. Initial conditions are given, x0 equal to 1 and x dash 0, that is dx dt, you can think of, that is also given 1, that is at t equal to 0 your x is 1, at t equal to 0 your x dash is 1. So both the initial conditions are given. That means if it is given and it is a normal and it is a good looking differential equation, nothing t short of is multiplied, so you will obviously go for Laplace. So it is s square x minus, if you recall, it was s into x0. Okay, I am writing it one more time, and this is x dash 0 is equal to minus 9 capital X. So if you put all these, if you take x common, it will be s square plus 9, and if you take this one, this is 1, so it is s, this is also 1, so it is s plus 1. So if you take that one, so it will implies your x is equal to s plus 1 divided by s square plus 9. So we will write it, we can write it s square plus 9 and then plus 1 by s square plus 9. Now can you recall your formula of Laplace inverse? It was s by s square plus s square was cos at, and Laplace inverse of a by s square plus s square was sin at. So there is a confusion, always students get confused which one is sin, which one is cos. So I used to remember it like that, because cos ends with s, so you think s will be in the numerator. The sign reverse, so cos ends with s, so s should be in the starting. So that's the way I used to remember. So if you can find xt, if you take inverse of this one, it will be cos 3t, because 9 can be written as 3t square, and then this one can be written as again sin 3t, because a is required, so you required a 3, so you put a 3 there, and then you will put 1 by 3 here, so it will be 1 by 3 sin 3t. So I think that is your answer, that is option C. In question number 8, they have asked you such that y0 equal to 2 they have given, and they have given y1 is equal to 1 minus 3e by e cube. Now you think this is y1, not y dash 1. There is the difference. Here it was x dash value is given, so initial conditions of dash is given. Here it is not initial condition of dash, it is simple y when x is equal to 1, it is not dash. That means both the initial condition and this is not given to you, so you cannot try this question with, or you should not try this question with normal with Laplace. So you should go by normal. What is normal method? Normal method, we write auxiliary equation, that is removing d by m, just writing format m square plus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. This side if it is not equal to 0, then also we make it 0, because we calculate then CF then PI separately. So for writing auxiliary equation, we will make this side is 0. If it is not 0, then we will try to do it with, we will make it 0 first, we calculate CF, then we calculate PI with this one, then we add finally, if you can recall your differential equation. So if you solve, it will be minus 2 minus 3. If both are independent, then what was the format? If both are real and different, how was the format? It was c1 e to the power m1x plus c2 e to the power m2x. Now let me write it. If both are real and equal, then what was the format? c1 plus x c2 e to the power minus mx. Suppose both are m comma m. This is m1 comma m2, both are different. If it is both same, then if it is 3 are same, then it is x squared c3. It will be continued with this series. If it is 3 roots and all are equal, and it is complex, if it is a complex, then it was, suppose x is your plus minus your m is your plus minus alpha beta I. So it was e to the power alpha x plus c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. You can find it in any books. So these are the formula for the differential equation. So here both the roots are different, so if we apply this one, so your final solution, because it is only this side is already 0, so no pi is there. So if you solve, yt is equal to c1 e to the power minus 2t plus c2 e to the power minus 3t. Now what is given in the question? Some initial conditions are given. So if you put y equal to 0, y0 is equal to 1, that means when t is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2. So if you put it here 2 e to the power 0 e to the power 0 1, so C1 plus C2 equal to 2. This is equation 1. And the second equation is also given as y1 is equal to something. So y1 means when t is equal to 1, then y is equal to this much. So if I put minus 1 minus 3e by e cube, that is equal to when t is equal to 1 e to the power minus 2 plus C2 e to the power minus 3. Now you can replace, you can take C1 C2 from here and you can replace, or else you can do it all. If you separate it, it is how it will be minus 1 by e cube, that is minus 1 e to the power minus 3, and then 3, so again it is minus, and it is, sorry, this minus is outside, minus 1 of this, so it will be plus, so it will be 3e by e to the power minus 2. So by seeing this also, you can find some solution. What will be the C1 if you match both sides? If you find the coefficient of e to the power minus 2, it is 3. So C1 can be 3 and C2 can be minus 1. If you are not sure, then you put this C1 C2 in this equation. If it satisfies, then this is the final answer. C3 is equal to C1 is equal to 3 minus 1 2. So it is satisfying. So obviously this is the value of C1 C2. Or you can solve also these two equation 1 and equation 2, you can solve using normal 9-10 methods. So if you find here, so y2 will be equal to 3 e to the power minus 2t and minus e to the power minus 3t. So if you take dy dt, then it will be minus 6 e to the power minus 3t minus plus 3 e to the power minus 3t. So they have asked you to find it at t equal to 0. So at t equal to 0, what will be the value of this? So if you put 0, it will be minus 6 plus 3. So answer is minus 3. So in 9, this is the given one, and they have asked you which of the following is the solution for this one for x is greater than 0. Now this one is a very standard differential equation, which is known as Cauchy linear differential equation. You can recognize square, 1, so you can recognize that one. But it is not asked here. It is not asked to related to solve this equation, but they have given some solution and you have to satisfy. So just you put the value of y. Solution means y is equal to what? If it satisfies this equation, then it's sufficient. So if I taking option A, if I put y equal to e to the power x, then what it will be? X square e to the power x, x e to the power x plus 6. It will be x square, 2 times differentiation will be always e to the power x, because e to the power x, how many times you differentiate it will. So is it becoming 0? No, it is not equal to 0. So option A is not there. So you can check with this one. Next, if I put y equal to x square, so it will be x square, 2 times differentiation will be 2x. X, 1 time differentiation of x square is 2x. 6 into x square. Is it equal to 0? No, this is not also equal to 0. So, this is minus. This is minus y, only not 6y. This is minus y. Again, it is not 0. So it is minus 6x square. So you can 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 6, it is not coming. So next one, if you go, see y is equal to 1 by x. So if you take 2 times differentiation, 1 time differentiation is minus 1 by x square. 2 time differentiation will be minus plus 2 by x cube. Oh no, 6 is not there. Sorry, 6 is not there. So 2 to 4, it is not 0. So it is 1 by x. Now if you check, it will be now 2 by x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x. So it is 0. 2 by x minus 2 by x, so it is 0. So it is satisfying. So obviously C will be the answer. No need to check fourth one also. Because if it is a single question answer, this is the answer. You can check with ln x also, but that will not be also true. So I am not showing this one, so this is the answer. You can directly say. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.